Hello everyone. A very happy morning to all of you. I hope you all are well and enjoying my classes. Now let's start our today's session. Do you know what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn about pronouns. Students, pronouns are those words that take places of a noun in a sentence. For example, Mr. Mohanlal is a bus driver. Mr. Mohanlal rides children to school every day. Mr. Mohanlal is a jovial man. These three sentences describes Mr. Mohanlal. Instead of repeating his name, we can use a pronouns he and we can say Mr. Mohanlal is a bus driver. He drives children to school every day. He is a jovial man. The words I, you, he, she, it, we and they are pronouns that comes in the naming part of a sentence. You can also come in the telling part I, he, she and it. It are used for singular nouns, whereas we and they are used for plural nouns. For examples, the village is far away. It has many rivers. They are clean. The pronoun you is used for both singular and plural nouns. For example, it is an important game. You must play as a team. Do you have a pet? Does it play with you? The words me, him, her, it, us, you and them are also pronouns. They comes in the telling part of the sentence. For example, he is my father. I adore him. The words me, him, her and it are used for singular nouns, whereas us and them are used for plural nouns. For example, now students, I will show you some pictures. Sorry students, for example, Nikki has a pet. It is a dog. They are my grandparents. I help them. You is used for both singular and plural nouns in any part of a sentence. For example, you are my best friend. I like to play with you. You are my parents. I am proud of you. Now students, I will show you some pictures and you will recognize them and make sentences of them using the pronouns which we have learned now. Students, in the first picture, what do you see?
Ma'am, I see a yellow car.
Very good. What is car?
Ma'am, car is a thing.
Very good. So, what we use for car?
Ma'am, we use it for car and we will say it is yellow.
Very good. Now tell me, what do you see in the second picture?
Ma'am, I see a boy in the next picture.
Okay. What is the name of the boy?
Ma'am, the name of the boy is Rohan.
Very good. What Rohan is doing?
Ma'am, Rohan is flying a kite.
Very good. Who is Rohan?
Rohan is a boy.
Very good. So what we use for Rohan?
Ma'am, we use he for Rohan. Ma'am, we will say he is flying kite.
Very good. Now what do you see in the next picture?
Ma'am, in the next picture I see a girl, Nana.
Very good. What Naina is doing?
Ma'am, Nana is playing with the dog.
Very good. You like the dogs?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is Naina?
Ma'am, Nana is a girl.
Very good. So what we use for Naina?
Ma'am, we use she for Nana and we will say Nana is playing with the dog.
Very good.
Thank
Now
you.
students, let's recite a rhyme. Seeds. Seeds are funny things. Seeds are funny things. Some have stickers. Some have stickers. Some have wings. Some have wings. Some are big. Some are small. Some are big. Some are small. Some round and flat. Some round and flat. Some like a ball. Some like a ball. Some are hidden inside the fruit. Some are hidden inside the fruit. Some in pots or underground roots. Some in pots or underground roots. Some seeds are fruits. Some seeds are food and good to eat and good to eat. Like corn or beans, like corn or beans, or nuts for a treat, or nuts for a treat. Students, I hope you have enjoyed today's session of pronouns. I will come up with many more new videos. Stay in touch, take care of yourself, stay at home, stay safe. Goodbye. Thank you.